coming. Bring the stick to me. Hey, come on. Yeah, that's a good... Oh, where's the stick? Come on, bring the stick. You can do it. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Yeah, you're the best. You're the best. So, are you resting? Are you resting on me? Hey, what are you doing? How come you're lying on the stick? Hey? You were lying on the stick. Hey, get the stick. It's over here. Spring. Get that stick. Come on, get that stick. Look at that. See the stick? Get it. Get that stick. Get that stick. Good for you. Good for you. Okay. Okay. Oh, you're going to swim, are you? Okay. Gotta go have a dip now. Lisa has her favorite spot. Around the corner. She's in there now. She's in there now. What are you doing? Is that good? Come on, you come up. Come on, but bring the stick. Can you bring the stick? Don't forget the stick. Okay? Ah, you're forgetting the stick. Gee whiz. Jeez. What kind of a dog are you anyway? Forget the stick all the time. You know your legs are all dirty, eh? You know that? Your legs are all dirty. Gonna have to sit outside when we get home. Yeah. Maybe in a while you won't have to carry that leg up like that. Eh? Would that be nice? That'd be nice, eh? We're gonna hope for that. We're gonna have a hope for that. Eh? What? What? What do you want now? Eh? What are you looking for now? Who's the best girl? Who's the best girl? What do you think? Eh? What do you think? Are you the best girl? Sure you are. No girl as good as you. No, buddy.